Roof flashing can be a lot of things. So it's everything from drip edge along the eaves, which is where you typically see your gutter trough. So it's a metal flashing that takes water off of the roof and into the back of the gutter trough. And then you have a similar type of flashing that's used on the rakes, which would be the edges where you don't have the gutter trough typically. And same thing, it protects water infiltration in those areas. Then you have head wall flashing and sidewall flashing as well. And that's more of a rolled out and then bent to shape flashing that goes up behind the wall or the substrate that's there, where a head wall or a sidewall comes down into the roof line and then goes underneath the shingles to keep water from infiltrating where those two points connect. And step flashing is used along sidewalls as well. So as it goes up, you put another piece of flashing on top. It's kind of put on along that sidewall the way that roofing shingles are. But again, it's to cover that where you have that gap where those two items meet, and it's a defense against water infiltration there. There's flashings that go around chimneys. There's flashings that go around pipe boots. And there's just flashings in general that are used just about anywhere you can look in a roof and think of where you might see where there might be a gap or a hole. And it's important that you use the right flashings and that they're installed properly. So there's quite a bit that goes into flashing. The costs are pretty comparable. If you have the roll flashing and with the price of metal going up nowadays, they're all getting a little bit more costly. But if, for example, if you want to put flashing in your valleys, which we would recommend, instead of just having shingles, it's a better way to make sure that that's just going to last forever and not leak. But it's a few $100s to flash a standard valley, where you would save that cost if you didn't flash it. The rest of the flashings are required. Not going without them really wouldn't be an option in my opinion. And I don't think they significantly increase the cost of the overall system, especially with the benefit they provide.